Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really special to share with you, the highly anticipated Louis Vuitton earbuds. These earbuds bring together the world of luxury and audio in a truly incredible way. So, let's jump right into the unboxing and review. As we can see, the packaging is absolutely stunning, as expected from Louis Vuitton. Opening it up, we are greeted with a beautifully crafted charging case. It's sleek, elegant, and definitely catches the eye. Inside the case, we find the earbuds themselves. The design is impeccably chic, with the iconic Louis Vuitton monogram accentuating the sides. These earbuds truly embody luxury and style. Now, let's talk about the sound quality. The Louis Vuitton earbuds offer a remarkable audio experience. The clarity and richness of the sound are truly exceptional. Whether you're listening to your favorite music or taking calls, you won't be disappointed. In terms of comfort, the earbuds fit perfectly in your ears. They're lightweight and feel incredibly comfortable, even during extended use. Plus, they stay securely in place, making them ideal for workouts or other activities. The touch controls on the earbuds are intuitive and easy to use. You can play and pause your music, adjust the volume, or even activate voice commands with just a few touches. It's convenient.